Well, what's up guys and welcome back to Tech Plant. Here's a quick unboxing of an awesome orchid that I mentioned on Instagram and other places. Let's check it out. This is an orchid that I've wanted for probably almost 2 years, and this one is called Bulbophyllum Phalaenopsis. You'll see later why it has that name. If you know a little bit about orchids, it honestly sounds like that joke I made a long time ago naming an anthurium philodendron. It's very similar because there's like Phalaenopsis orchids, and this one is a Bulbophyllum Phalaenopsis, and again, you'll see later why that is. I actually got this one from Orchid, and I was a little skeptical at first because usually when you buy these like bigger specimen, you get a really little like division and it ends up being very underwhelming, especially for the money. But honestly, I was really surprised by the actual size of this orchid, and it's got 2 active growths for the most part, so it looks like it's going to get bigger pretty quick, and it's already very sizable, which honestly was pretty surprising. So I guess it's like props to this company. They actually ship you a decent sized orchid. I also picked up one more Bulbophyllum, and this is Bulbophyllum Phalaenopsis, and this is just because if you're going to buy plants, you might as well get a few since you're paying the shipping anyways. Bulbophyllum are my favorite orchids. I don't know what it is, but I really love them for their foliage. These like pseudobulbs that grow the leaves from them are just really awesome, and that's kind of where their name comes from. They're just really weird looking. They have a cool growth habit. A lot of them are epiphytic, and they're just super awesome. Their flowers are also out of this world. Honestly, if you've never heard of these before, you need to look into them because they're super awesome. Now, why is this one called Bulbophyllum Phalaenopsis? Well, it's because the leaves look very similar to a Phalaenopsis orchid. You can see here with them side by side, they're very similar. However, the one really awesome thing about this orchid is it can get almost like 3 feet tall. It's insane. I mean, just the leaves can become absolutely massive, and the flowers smell like rotting meat and just I guess they're pretty gross, but they're pretty neat. I obviously don't have any footage of this yet because I just got this orchid, and it will probably take me a year for it to get mature like that. Lucky for me, though, that other orchid that I ordered was already in spike and flowering, so it's pretty neat. It has an interesting growth to it. Like I said, you really got to Google these orchids because there are some wild looking flowers. These ones are pretty different from the ones I have, where there's little flowers on this like thick bulb stalk type thing. So it's just really cool and an awesome one to have in my collection. But yeah, I really can't get over the bulbs on this. As it matures and gets bigger, these bulbs are huge. They're almost like a tennis ball, which is ridiculous. Because you can see some of the other Bulbophyllum that I have on screen. That one's like a pretty big species, but still just nothing compared to this one. It's going to be wild when it gets bigger, and I really hope I can keep these alive. For whatever reason, Bulbophyllum do pretty good in my collection, and they're pretty easy to care for, so I'm pretty hyped about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing these interesting orchids, and it helps you get, I guess, like an idea of what's all out there. Anyways, guys, I hope this exposure to a different orchid species was beneficial to you, and as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.